And I'm going to go through with you a little bit here what I have done, and I will show a little bit outside later, because right now I cannot drive. This is too much snow, but anyway, I will show you how you can turn and how it look outside. First I will go with you through this and what I have done and how much all this one is cost for me. And it take me about 2 weeks to build this one in my tiny garage. First I will show you this one, this connection to bike. Sorry for my English if I say wrong something. What I did here, I put something extra here so it really stay stable, and I cut here and did this V form that you can turn with bike in any direction, right and left. So when you're trying to go this way, the wheel will have enough place to turn. Same in another side, and you can see this is a flexible, so you can turn in both sides. I put 4 foot here, so when you want to camp, you can put it down this, and you can of course put it up, all the way up, and lock it in the when you drive. Second thing I did is this one. I put this one extra. I try without this and it doesn't work, so I built this one from wood and paint it with waterproof painting, and now it's very stable, and it's worked very well. Here we have one window. Is window you cannot open. I paint with something inside, and it's come enough light inside this. Here we have ventilation, so you can close from inside and you get enough air inside, so you can breathe and have fresh air, and it's waterproof like you see here. Same thing here, you have the foot here, and second one I have done here is I put light for the night in the both side, so you can close like this and you can open like this. The most best thing I did to this one is I mounted extra wheel here. If something happened the way, you only lock is same dimension, so you can just take away here. It's very nice to have extra, and you have so you not sit in the way and waiting for somebody to help you. I paid this with waterproof paint, and I put some glitter here. Right now you cannot see so much, it's too much light here, but in the sun it's very nice and very beautiful. In this side I didn't put nothing, it's everything closed here, so it look like this, like you see here. Up, very nice, clean, waterproof, and very nice. One more thing here, I will put this one here for water, so water doesn't go inside here, so all water is coming here, it go outside like this, and you can see it run out this way, same in this way. Second, another thing here, I put once on her lock, so if you want to cook or do something, you only lock the door here with this one, so door doesn't go anywhere. And we have a table here, portable table, where you can put your storm kitchen here and cook some food, and it's enough place. And inside you can use this to put your computer or something, which I will show you soon. We go inside here. We have one lamp here, which you can put any direction you want, like this, down, or you can turn it like this, or you can put little more, not so much light, too much, like this, and finish. Here is a very 10 millimeter some isolation. I put here and here because most time I'm going to sit, so I want to have extra here isolation back, and this one and here, and her is 90 centimeter like this, so you can have very much place, and 2 meter like this, so it's enough long. We can go inside here. I will show you. You have very big storage here, about 60 centimeter, and you can put your food place things here and your clothes here, and you have a ventilation here which you can close if you want, if it's too cold, or you can leave it open, and it's waterproof. Easily, it's insulation everywhere, up, down. One more thing you can do if you want to have this really nice, you can put some wood or something more. I decided to pay, not to put so much money, because I'm not going to use to myself. I'm going to give away to somebody, to some homeless or somebody who use it, and it turned out very nice. You have very much place. You can see very much place to, so you can see here too much. If I leave like this, now you can see I have too much place, and I can use it like this. It's very big, and you can sit if you want like this. You can sit, not cold at all here. Very nice. Inside the window I put some silicone here, so window doesn't move, and you can see from outside, from inside outside, but you cannot see from outside inside. Now we're going to close the door, and I will show you. Here you can lock the door like this, and if you want to make some computer job or something, or to read some book, you have this table here, and yeah, like you see, it's very nice. After it's too much place. Normally it's not like this big, but I make extra big so you can have enough place to do what you want. You can fold down, and you can see I have all my here. Very nice, actually. I like it. Here we have the lock. You open like this, it's open, and when you want to close, like this, and put it down, and it's very secure. So yeah, too much place, you see, very much place. I hope we can find some homeless and give away this one for free to somebody. It will make happy someone. How much it cost? All this cost me around, I think if we want to be very exact, it cost me $350 with everything. and I think it's very nice price. And remember, 99% it's built of wood. Everything is wood, no metal. All for all this, only is wood. Beside that, bike connection there. I hope, guys, you like this one. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me very much. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Next time, take care of you. Peace.